I got another question from my loyal follower, Rebecca, and thank you, Rebecca, for the question. I'll do my best to address what I believe is your question here. So before I get going, I want to put this up. This is the stock symbols for Mene and Gold Money. They are publicly traded companies. I certainly not recommending buying them or not buying them. I'm just giving you the information that those are the stock symbols, and you're free to research them yourselves. So to address this question, I think you need to understand how I view precious metals ownership. So gold and silver and platinum in the coin and bar and jewelry form, I believe have nothing to do with precious metals equities. And other than you may be bullish on the underlying commodity, you own them for completely different reasons. I happen to own both. I've owned both for many, many years, but that's just because I think I know the industry a little bit better than maybe the average person. But I would say that I own gold and I own silver because they're savings, a physical form. So I buy those literally with the mindset of I'm purchasing these to accumulate wealth and preserve my wealth over time. And it's not something that I would just sell because it went up a little bit unless I really need the money. And equities, they offer way more upside leverage, but they also put you in a completely different risk profile. And companies like gold mining companies and streaming and royalty companies, they can really get screwed up by their management. Even if the commodity price goes up, they're notorious for not performing for many different reasons, which would require a whole other video. But my point is that owning a diversified exposure to precious metals is a good idea, at least for me it is, but you have to know what you're dealing with, and you have to understand that they're completely different things. And even though Warren Buffett has bought a big gold miner recently, I still think it's important to know what money is and what speculation is.